Hello guys. Welcome back. This is Mask Edit. Do you want to take your edit into new level? You are on right place. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe.
The Best Editor Award goes to Faisal X Ziddi.
Thank you.
And the Best Free Fire Editor Award goes to Bazigar.
Thank you.
Tutorial on this trend style.
Goes to Bazigar.
Open AI Lab and click on Seedance 2.5. Put the duration on 15 seconds. Aspect ratio on any. And put resolution on 720p. Click on the plus icon to add an image of the woman you want to be the presenter. Then add an image of yourself. Add an image of a trophy. Paste this prompt, which I show at end. Then scroll up to where it says Bazigar and edit it to write your own username. Click on the Save button once the video has generated. Import the generated video into a project. Freeze the video where you want transition to happen. Duplicate the frozen clip, then overlay it and hold on it to slide it under. Go Remove Background, then Custom Removal on the overlay, then Brush yourself. Click on the overlay, then go Adjust and put the saturation on -50. And put the brilliance on 50. Overlay this image, which I show at end, then remove background and chroma key. Pick black color, then intensity 100. Position it where you want. Go text and write your username. Pick any font you like. Go shadow, then pick black and put opacity on 100. Blur on 8. Go glow, then select second option and put the intensity on 30. Range on 65. Position the text between the lines. Go text again and paste a description of yourself. Go at the start of each line, then click on Return. Go on Spacing, then select the option furthest left. Click on the image overlay, then go Mask and select Horizontal, then rotate -90 degrees and drag the line left. Add a keyframe at start. Then go at end of overlay and drag the line right. Then go Graphs and double tap on Linear. Then add a beat and make a similar graph to me. Go Animations on the texts, then put Type 2 on around 1.2 seconds. Go Effects, then Player 3. Make the effect last under all the clips, then go Object and select all videos. Go Layers on the effect and select Front. Put Speed 100, Glow 0, Texture 0, Others, no change. Add a keyframe when the frozen clip begins, a keyframe at first quarter point, a keyframe in middle, a keyframe at third quarter point, then keyframe when frozen clip ends. Go second keyframe and put Rotate 60. Go third keyframe and put Rotate 40. Go fourth keyframe and put Rotate 60. Go Graphs and put Ease Out for all the keyframes. Go Effects, then Rebound Swing. Make effect start when the frozen clip starts and make effect shortest size possible. Then go Object and all videos. Put intensity on any, others no change. Export it. Import the exported clip into a new project, then slightly zoom into it so that the black borders aren't visible. Duplicate the clip, then overlay it and slide it under. Click on the overlay, then go Effects and select Blur. Go Mask on the overlay, then select Rectangle and size it so it fits over AI logo top left.
And the Free Fire Award goes to Slayer.
Thank you.
Screenshot and copy this prompt using Google Lens. Screenshot this image.